nice. So nice.
这个是卖衣服的
The
吧？
tower. I know it's the Merdeka, me. Oh, it's a Merdeka, guys. It's upside down. Upside down. No, it's got color of Merdeka.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog!
So ngayon guys, gagala kami dito sa Petaling Street ng Kuala Lumpur. So dito marami kayong mabibili guys ng mga souvenirs at saka mga items na para pasalubong nyo para sa Pinas. Madami, mura lang siya at saka affordable. Maganda yung ano nila guys, yung quality. So see you around guys! Ton!
Yeah, right.
Welcome to night market.
So yun lang guys, paalam!
Please like and subscribe.
Oh, it's smaller.